Right, guys, as we continue, here is the question. Say, calculate the sum of the following series, right? 0,25 plus 0,5 plus 1 plus 2 plus blah, blah, blah. Then our last term is 256, right? From here, we need the sum, right? Firstly, we don't know the number of terms, right? That we supposed to do the sum of them, right? But they gave us the last term, right? We can determine the number of terms, right? Firstly, we all know the formula of calculating the general term of the geometric, right? It says Tn is equals to ARn minus 1, right? From here, we know our A, right? We don't know our R. We can determine R, right? Right. Let's determine R. We say R is equals to T2 over T1, right? Which is 0,5 over 0,25, right? Then we will have, when we punch on the calculator, you will get 2, right? Your R, it will be 2, right? From here, we all know that our Tn is what? Is 256, right? From here, it's just the matter of substitution. Simple and straightforward, right? Let's do it. We say on Tn, we write 256, right? It's equals to, what is our A? Our A is this one, right? Is 0,25, right? Then you write something like this. What is our R? It's 2, right? You can close the bracket, just say n minus 1, right? You write something like this. Then from here is just simple maths, right? From grade 10. Firstly, you have to divide both sides by 0,25. 0,25, right? From here, you say 0,25, it goes how many times? Into 256 is 1024, right? Which is equals to, this side is it cancel this one, you left with 2 and minus 1, right? From here, you do the exponent part, right? You see here you have the base of 2, but you can also change this one to have the base of 2, right? Which is going to be 2 to the power 10 is equals to 2n minus 1, right? Then from here, you know when the bases are the same, we equate the exponent, right? You will have something like 10 is equals to n minus 1, right? And you need n alone. It means you will take this negative 1 to the other side. And also remember that it will change the sign, right? Remember, you will have 10 plus 1 is equals to n. Therefore, our n is equals to 11, right? We are not done, guys. We need the sum, right, of 11 terms, right? Right, of the 11 terms, which is the sum from T1 until 11, T11, right? Which is 255. Our T11 is 256, right? Then we need the combination. When we add everything, right, we use any of this formula, right? You are going to say Sn is equals to A into brackets Rn minus 1, right? Close the brackets. We say R minus 1, right? Then S11, right? We know N, right? From here, we just, what is our A? Is 0,25, right? Close the bracket. What is our R? We determine our R. We found that is 2. What is our N? Is 11, right? Minus 1. Close the brackets. Over, what is our R? 2 minus 1, right? You have something like this. Then from here, S11 is equals to, you pass the calculator, you will get 511,75. This is the final answer. Right. Right, guys. Here is the question. Right. It says calculate the sum of this segment notation. Right. Don't understand. This thing is very simple. You have to pay attention. Right. First, you write this thing. Right. Sigma 19 I is equals to 0, 3, negative 2, close the brackets, I minus 1. Right. From here, we know that our series, it will start with 0, right? And it will end at 19, right? This thing is very simple. It means when you start to substitute, where you see I, you start from 0, right? Let's do it. You can write something like this: 3 into brackets, negative 2, close the bracket, 0 minus 1. Right. Again, plus 3, negative 2, close the bracket, 1 minus 1. Right. Then you have something like this. Again, 3, negative 2, close the brackets, 2. Right. Minus 1. Right. Plus the 1, blah 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 blah. You can say plus 3, negative 2, close the bracket. You take the last term, right? 19 minus 1. Right. You have something like this. Then from here, you just punch the calculator. Here you will get negative 3 over 2 plus, on this one you get 3 plus, on this one you will get a negative 6, right? Plus Then the last one, I think it will be plus 7, 8, 6, I think 432, right? You will have something like that, right? From here, it's very simple, but P2. We will use any of this formula, right? Or we already have A. What is our A? Is negative 3 over 2, right? Then what is our R? We can determine R, right? We say R is equals to T2 over T1, right? Which is equals to 3 over negative 3 over 2. Then you will get a negative 3, right? Or you can just say T, R is equals to T3 over T2, right? What is our T3? Negative 6. Oh, it's 2. Sorry. Here is supposed to be 2, right? Negative 6, right? Then over 3, right? You get negative 2. Negative 2 is your R, right? Then from here, you can take the formula, but you need to know, right, how many terms, right, from 0 to 19, right? How many number of terms, right? You use this formula, say number of terms is equals to top minus bottom plus 1, right? What is our top? It's 9. Our bottom, 0 plus 1, right? Is equals to, you will have 20, right? What are the number of terms at 20, right? From here, you just write your formula. You just say Sn is equals to A into brackets R A minus 1. Close the brackets, R minus 1, right? What is our A? Is this one, right? you will just say negative 3 over 2. What is your R? It's negative 2. Negative can just negative 2, right? What is your N? It's 20, right? Then negative 1. Then close the brackets. Divide by negative 2 minus 1, right? Is equals to, then you punch the calculator, right? You will have 5, 2, 4, 2, 8, 7, right? Comma 5, right? This is your final answer. Perfect. This thing is very simple, very, very simple. You have to pay attention. But please don't forget to subscribe, comment, do whatever it takes for you to share with your friend. Yeah, if you don't get it, watch the video over and over again. You will get it no matter what. Tango.